Okay, so if you was able to listen to the video with our executive vice president Amina Rashid, she showed you her car. That she showed it to you because she wants to let you know that it's real. And what I wanted to do is, because sometimes when you see stuff like that, it can be far-fetched if you don't have the right mindset to know that like there's other opportunities out here than what we've been fed and pushed down our throats. So just so you know, she's not the only one. Because when I first heard about it, I'm like, yeah, maybe one or two people, or maybe whatever. But I want you to see, this is our private Facebook page for the people that are in our group. Here is somebody that got to level 1 of the R&R Club. So level 1 is the free car. As soon as you hit the first level, you reach that free car. Here is another person. This is Alicia Gaines. She also got a new car. And remember, you can choose from a Mercedes, an Audi, or a Cadillac. This is somebody else. He's actually on level 2. So he got the new car, and then he got a $10,000 bonus. At one time, they give you a check and you can do whatever you want to. I don't know. Let's see what I would do with $10,000 at one that I wasn't expecting. It's one thing. Okay, saving it is probably the proper thing, or investing. But I'll be wanting to go to Tahiti somewhere with my family. Level 1 again. We got Samuel Richardson. This next person, Alfred E. Nixon. He's 26 years old. He has reached level 5 and level 6. So I haven't been reading the captions, but big congratulations to Senior Regional Vice President Alfred E. Nixon on achieving this huge accomplishment. He got the 5th and 6th level R&R Club. He had a $50,000 bonus, and he got a Bentley, and he gets a $5,000 monthly mortgage payment. So R&R stands for rest and relaxation. If somebody's paying your mortgage and you got a free car that you're not paying for, and you got $50,000, 50 at one time, that's what people make in a year after working, 9 to 5 every single day. So that's what you call definitely some R&R. Again, he's 26 years old, and I don't think these are ordered in any particular, way. They're just jumbled up. But yeah, he used to actually pick up trash on Miami Beach before he came into the company just 3 short years ago. Here's another guy, Anthony Jackson. He's level 3. I think level 3 is a $25,000 bonus on top of the free car and on top of the other stuff. Here is, let's see who we got here. Whoops, I enlarged it. This is Javar Young. He's level 2. This is somebody's little brother, it says. So that's awesome. Level 2 is the free car and the $10,000. And guys, this goes on and on and on. If I enlarge these, it just doesn't stop. It doesn't stop. I'll show you a couple of more just so you know. So here is level 3. He got an extra $1,500 towards his Audi payment. So level 3, you can get like a luxury car. Of course, a Audi, Mercedes, Cadillacs are already luxury, but at that next level they just take it to the top. Here is Ajaya. Looks like she is 23 years old, and so she reached level 1. She actually did this earlier this year. So reached level 1. She has a brand new vehicle. And people, these are real people. Like, y'all can go to their Facebook page and live and see them living this life. Like, this is not nothing that's fake. So I just want to introduce these types of opportunities and ideas, because guess what? I didn't know that this was something. I didn't know this was a thing. Like, it's crazy. I'm so glad that I have this opportunity to be a part of it. And anybody that's looking for something different, like, I've tried everything. I did the college thing. I did the work thing. I did whatever. This right here is on a whole other situation. So just wanted to share, just so you would know that Amina's car in her driveway that she showed y'all from her company is the real deal, just like the rest of these people.